Greetings, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for joining me in today's presentation. We continue with our solutions to circle geometry. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, thank you for joining me. In my previous video, I've solved questions from this topic, circle geometry. The beauty of circle geometry is the way our approach this question may not be the same with the way another person will approach it, but the beauty of it is we must arrive at the same answer. It's very important for you to read the conditions, very important, like what we have here, and as well as the drawing. Try to understand the drawing very well. Let's look at how we can solve this. In the diagram, we have a diagram here. O is the center of the circle. This O here is the center of the circle. Then angle OQR is 32 degrees, and angle TPQ is 15. TPQ is 15 degrees. We are asked to calculate Roman numerals 1, angle QPR. QPR, that is the angle at this point here. Then Roman numerals 2, TQO. TQO. Let's look at this drawing very well to see the theories and the basic properties of angle we can apply to solve this problem. If this is the center, any movement from this point to any point on the circumference will be equal in length. It means this will be the radius and this will be the radius. They are of equal length. Okay, so let's write down the solution. We can establish that fact that length OQ will be the same as length OR. The reason is these are right, there are radii. That's the plural of what? Radius. These are radii, that's the plural of radius. The radius, they are of equal length. So meaning this is an isosceles triangle. So it means triangle QOR is an isosceles triangle, and base angle of an isosceles triangles are equal. So it means here the whole of this angle will be 32 degrees. Let the angle at the center here be y. Okay, so we can say angle OQR is the same as angle ORQ. Base angles of an isosceles triangle are equal. That's the reason. You have to state the reason in brackets. Okay, so we can easily find y now. Y plus 32 plus 32 will be equals to 180 degrees. So y plus 32 degree plus 32 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Reason, sum of angles in this is the sign for angles in a triangle. This is a sign for triangle. Sum of angles in a triangle, sum of what? Sum of angles in a triangle is equals to 180. That's the reason. Sum of angles in a triangle. Okay, we can find y. Y now will be equals to 180. When we add 32 plus 32, that will be 64 degrees. So y will be equals to 180 minus 64. That's 116 degrees. So the angle at the center here is 116. We can find the angle at the circumference here. Okay, let's remove here to achieve that. Okay, you realize that to find the angle at the center, we are asked to find angle QPR. Angle QPR now will be, that's angle at the circumference now will be half angle at the center, and the angle at the center now is angle QOR. The reason is angle at the circumference, angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference. Angle at the center is twice angle at the circumference of the circle. circumference. So that's the reason. Okay. So we can easily find angle QPR now will be half 116 degree. Okay. Let's move here. So half of 116 degree, it will be 58. Therefore, angle QPR now will be equals to 58 degree. That's half of 160 degree is 58 degree. So we're through with the solution to Roman numerals 1. Let's move to Roman numerals 2. We are asked to find TQO. Angle TQO. You realize that we need to construct another chord here. Okay, we need to construct another chord here. We're looking for this angle at this point here. TQO. We're looking for this angle here. Okay, so since we have a chord at TQ, you realize that let's look at the triangle from that chord. This triangle is coming from that chord. The angle at the circumference is 15 degree. This other triangle is coming from that chord. The angle here, let me remove this 32, it will be 15 degree. The reason is angle in the same segment are equal. So we can establish that fact that angle TPQ, TPQ is the same as angle TRQ. Angle in the same segment are equal. Angle in the same segments, angle in the same segment are what? Are equal. They are equal. So this is equals to 15 degree. Let me write it this way. Okay. So we are looking for this angle here. Let me write it as K. Okay. So here now is 58 degree. Let me put it on the drawing. That's from Roman numerals 1. You realize that we have a cyclic quadrilateral here. Cyclic quadrilateral means when we have 4 corners or 4 points touches the circumference. This is 1, 2, 3, then 4. This is cyclic quadrilateral. And opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means sum up to 180 degrees. Okay, so it means the whole of this angle plus the whole of this angle will be equals to 180. The whole of this angle here plus the whole of this angle here will be equals to 180 degrees. So we can easily find this K, which is the angle that we are looking for. So K now plus 32 degree plus 15 degree plus 58 degree will be equals to 180 degree. Opposite angles of a cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. Supplementary means sum up to 180 degree. They are what? They are supplementary. So they are supplementary means sum up to 180 degree. Okay, so we can easily find angle TQ now easily. Okay, so let's solve for K. K now will be equals to 180 degree minus 32 degree minus 15 degree minus 58 degree. K now will be equals to let's this minus, let's subtract 180 minus 32 minus 15 minus 58 degree, that will be 75 degree. If you subtract this, you have 75 degree. Therefore, angle TQO will be equals to 75 degree. So this is the solution to this question. Thank you for watching. Please do share this to your learned colleagues, and don't forget to subscribe to TJ's Math and Further Math Adventures. You can follow me on TikTok and Instagram. Thank you for watching. In my next video, God willing, I will solve as many questions as I can from this topic. It's a very interesting topic in mathematics. Just understand the theories, know how to apply it, and when to apply it. You can use as many theory as you can together with the basic properties of angle, like the way we are talking about isosceles triangle. Base angle of an isosceles triangle are equal, and other properties like other theories rather, like cyclic, the opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral are supplementary. So you can apply as many theories as you can to solve a problem. Thank you for watching.